So this message actually cost us a 5-star review. We'd actually just finished hosting a guest who said everything was perfect, the space was spotless, it was easy check-in, and the location was pretty great. It was close to the things that she was trying to get to. But when the reviews came in, 4 stars. And the reason had nothing to do with the property. It was our messages. Because guest messaging isn't actually about sending information. It is really about shaping an emotion. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact messages you should stop sending and the simple 5-star templates you should switch to instead. By the way, I'm Seth. I'm one of the co-founders of the Innkeepers Collective. We've hosted thousands of guests across multiple cities. We earn about $1 million annually on Airbnb, and helping new hosts launch and grow profitable Airbnbs is actually what we do best. And when we first got started on Airbnb almost a decade ago, we actually had no messaging system. And guests would reach out pretty much at all hours, in the grocery store, dropping the kids off at school, and we had to stop everything that we were doing at the time that we got those messages and try to respond as quickly as we could. And this was an area of our business that we really knew was important. So whenever the situation came up and we couldn't respond quickly, it really did lead to a lot of built-up anxiety. And don't get me wrong, our communication actually wasn't bad, it just was not structured. And when we finally shifted to a guest messaging system, everything changed. And what we learned is guests didn't actually need more information, they actually needed the right information at the right time. So putting the system in place meant that we got our time back, we answered fewer questions, and most importantly, our reviews actually skyrocketed. And so here's what the research shows. Guests will actually make up their mind about you within the first 90 seconds after reaching out to you and initiating a conversation. And psychologists refer to this as the primacy effect. And it really means that first impressions will actually anchor everything that follows in the interaction. So if your first message to a guest feels robotic, or if it's actually too delayed, guests will actually lower their expectations, and even a flawless stay, even a great stay, begins to feel less impressive. But when your first message is quick, when it's fast, when you're friendly in those messages, when it's clear, you actually begin to create psychological safety. So guests relax, they begin to trust you, and y'all, that trust will carry through their entire stay. So here's one quick thing that you can do after watching this video. Open your last booking confirmation message and edit it down to just 60 words or less. Add the guest's first name and make it sound very human and not scripted at all. And this is one of the fastest ways to rebuild your first impression and start to grow trust with your guests. And most of the questions that we got from our guests, well, they tend to happen around the same point in their guest journey. It's usually right after booking, before arrival, sometime within their mid-stay, and then just before they checked out. So to address this, we built what we now call our 4-message framework. And so the first one is the booking confirmation. And we will send this message within 10 minutes after a guest book our listing. And the second message is the pre-arrival message. And this is actually sent 24 hours before a guest checks into our property. And the third message is what we call the mid-stay check-in. And that is usually sent one day after a guest arrives. And that leaves the fourth message. The fourth message now is the checkout and review message, and that is sent the morning of the guest's departure. So if you miss just one of these, the experience is actually going to feel quite incomplete. But if you nail all 4 of them, your guests will feel cared for from the start of their stay to when they check out. So let's break these down further. So with that first message, the booking confirmation, the goal here is to begin building instant confidence. So here's the message. Hi, insert guest name. We're excited to host you at our property. Check-in time is, checkout time is, and you'll get full arrival details one day before your trip. If you have any questions before that, I am here to help. And so this message actually works because it begins to remove uncertainty, which is the top cause of pre-trip anxiety. And when you get this right, guests will begin to feel safe, they'll begin to feel seen, and they'll start to feel like they're in fairly capable hands. And here's an additional way that you can enhance this message. You can actually end the confirmation with one sentence that builds trust and builds confidence. You can say something like, we've hosted over 200 guests and we want you to have the best day yet. And that single line, that adding just that one line taps into social proof, showing guests that they have made a smart choice. Now, let's look at how to enhance the second message, which is the pre-arrival message. And the goal here is to eliminate decision friction. And before we built our system, we used to actually send our check-in info days before a guest arrived. And guests will still ask for it again the day before they arrive. And once we got this time just right, usually between 15 to 20 hours before a guest checks in, our where's the code messages drop to almost zero. All right, so let's look at the script for this one. Hey, insert the name of the guest. Can't wait to welcome you tomorrow. Here's everything you'll need for a smooth arrival. The smart lock code is parking details are insert parking details. The Wi-Fi code is insert the Wi-Fi code. And here's a quick video guide. Safe travels. See you soon. And this message works because you're tapping into predictability bias. And our brains as human beings loves certainty. So when guests know what to expect when they're coming in, they actually begin to feel in control. And all the anxiety that they have in showing up and not being able to get into the property upon arrival simply just falls away. And here's one additional thing that you can add to this message. Include a small sensory touch that helps them to picture arrival. Something like, you'll smell fresh coffee when you walk in, or you see the welcome light will be left on for you in the living room. Those small little details actually make guests feel at home before they arrive at your property. Now, on to the next message, the mid-stay check-in message. And the goal here is to show that you care about your guests without kind of hovering over them during their stay. And I gotta tell you, we used to skip this step. And guests would sometimes tell us details after they check out that would have been helpful to know and address while they were still in the property. We will send a short message the morning after guests arrive. Hi, insert the guest name. Just wanted to make sure that everything is perfect so far. If you need anything, I'm happy to help. And setting up this message only takes a few seconds, but it actually makes guests feel incredibly welcome and it helps them to feel seen. And this message actually taps into what psychology calls the peak end rule. And so this mid-stay message helps to create an emotional high. And it's simply a great way to help you guests know that you're an attentive host. And the key to hitting this one, y'all, it cannot be really long. If this takes you more than 10 seconds to kind of type in and send, it is actually too long. So keep this one nice and tight and you'll see the results that you get after adding this. Now, on to message number 4, the checkout message. And the goal here is to end strong and invite reciprocity. So here's the script that you'll want to follow. Good morning. Insert guest name. Hope you had a great stay. Checkout time is blank. We would love your feedback. Reviews help small hosts like us grow. Safe travels. Thanks again for staying with us. And this message actually works because when you express gratitude, people tend to feel compelled to give it back to you. And that is actually how you will earn thoughtful 5-star reviews. And here's how you can actually enhance this one even further. You'll want to mention one personal or one local touch from their stay. You'll say something like, I hope you enjoyed the taco spot we recommended. That small personal memory will actually make a guest feel remembered and will actually make your message feel not processed. So here's how you can actually tell if your messages are costing you 5-star reviews. If your guests are asking you the same questions repeatedly, and if you're getting late night texts about check-ins, and this one is actually much more explicit, but if your guests are telling you that your communication could be improved, or some guests may actually be leaving without sending you a review at all. So if any of these actually sound familiar, you still have some work to do to improve your messages. So there's actually 3 R's that can help you remember how to get these just right. The first one is to review those messages. The second one is to actually rewrite the messages that are not working. And the third R stands for retiming or getting those messages sent at the time where guests can actually most benefit from getting the information. So each month, you should actually look back at your last 5 guest conversations. And for each one of these conversations, ask yourself these questions. Was the information that you sent relevant to the questions that guest was asking at the time? Was the information reassuring? And third, was it recognizable? Did it actually sound human or did it sound robotic? And if your messages aren't hitting at least 2 or more of these R's, you will want to flag that message to actually rewrite it and to improve it because it's probably not working in your business. And if this information is actually helping you, I want you to hit the like button to help other hosts find this video on YouTube. And go and hit subscribe because I produce content like this every single week that help hosts launch and grow profitable Airbnbs. And y'all, we are building out this channel and we're building out this community, and I want to invite you to be a part of it. So now that you know the kind of messages to stop sending, and most importantly, you also know the 5-star template that actually works. But here's the next step that hosts don't realize. You don't actually have to write every single message from scratch because the tools that are available to us as hosts continues to evolve. And with tools like the latest version of ChatGPT, that is ChatGPT 5, you can now create personalized guest-ready messages in just a few seconds. And these are messages that sound warm, that sounds natural, and completely align with the brand that you're building out. So if you've ever wanted to automate your communication without losing the personal touch, the touch that makes your property feel unique, click here to watch this next video on ChatGPT 5 for Airbnb hosts. I'll show you how to use AI to write faster, respond smarter, and free up hours each week while improving your guest experience. Because mastering your messages will help to earn you 5 stars. But mastering the tools, that actually is the thing that builds freedom. So when you pair the information that you've learned in this video with that one, you will be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market.